mobile. Am I right? It's the mobile armor, which is the angel. The unit that was where Barbatos Lupus got its tail. Yeah, it's the ejected state of the super hard wire blade can be recreated using the wire. As you can see here, that's it. It's flying. I can that. Then we also have a stand. Yeah, there we have a free clear stand right there. And yeah, this is the form of our Barbatos when it has its backpack and using its hands, with the hands of the backpack, because the backpack's feet, yeah, it has a backpack with a feet, okay, can be used as the hand of the Barbatos, which it has a change of mode. And then the backpack can also be combined on its, you consider the maze, it's a little bit change of maze, and you can put the maze, or you can put the backpack parts on the maze to have that very nice attack. Yeah, it is the amazing Iron Blood. Combine the amazing Booster Tenshiki with the maze to recreate the amazing Iron Blood. So the technique, this combination of the backpack and the maze of the Barbatos, amazing Gundam, amazing Barbatos Lupus, is called Iron Blood. Wow. Yeah. It's from the word of the iron-blooded orphans, okay? So that is our unleashing of our Gundam Amazing Barbatos Lupus, and same as usual, it will be going on my backlog because I still have some kits that I need to finish right here, and yeah, still, and also to review also because I still have some kits that have been built already, but still needs to have a review, okay? So yeah, just tune on my channel because I will have some live builds, especially the bootleg ones. I will have live builds for them, and for the Bandai kits or the original kits, just like the Bandai or a what other kind of okay, Bandai, yeah, Figure-Rise standard, Figure-Rise amplified Figure-Rise standard. We will have what you call that, a speed build. Yep, we will have a speed build for that kind of kits. Okay, so that's our Gundam Amazing Barbatos Lupus, and it will go to my backlog. And same as usual, it will have an unboxing, a speed build, a quick look, and a full review of this kit next time. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, and for those people who will subscribe later, thank you. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And if you like this kind of video content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell that has been formed for our next videos, okay? Oh, my lights are glaring on my kit. Okay, that's it. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Past signing off, and Gumbover Show signing off. That's it. Thank you, and goodbye.